In music notation, a slur is a curved line that connects two or more notes of different pitches, indicating that they should be played smoothly and connected, without any break or interruption between them. A slur can also indicate phrasing or musical expression. On the other hand, a tie is a curved line that connects two notes of the same pitch, indicating that they should be played as a single note with the combined duration of both notes. In other words, a tie extends the duration of a note by adding the value of the tied note to it. In summary, a slur is used to indicate a smooth, connected and expressive performance, while a tie is used to extend the duration of a note. Welcome to our new lesson on slurs and ties in music theory. Whether you're a beginner musician or an experienced one, understanding the use of slurs and ties is essential to playing and interpreting music correctly. In this lesson, we'll explore the differences between these two important musical notations, and we'll demonstrate how to read and play them on your instrument. So, get ready to expand your knowledge of music theory and take your playing to the next level. Listen to the dotted passage from "Rejoice Greatly" given in this example. The small arcs written above notes in measures 92 to 93 are slurs, which connect two or more different pitches. Slurs affect performance articulation, bowing or tonguing, for example, but not duration. The notes encompassed by a slur should be played smoothly, or legato, rather than detached. For singers, slurs identify groups of pitches sung to a single syllable. The small arc above the F in measures 94 to 95, on the other hand, is a tie, which connects two pitches that are the same. The F in measure 95 is not played again, rather the tie adds the duration of the two note values together, so "shout" lasts 3.5 beats. Counts for the beat spanned by a tie are written in parentheses, and if an accidental is applied to the first note of a tie, it continues through the tie's duration. Ties and dots should be notated in a way that clarifies the meter rather than obscuring it. For example, an eighth tied to a quarter would be clearer than a dotted quarter in the rhythmic context below, because it makes the placement of beat 3 explicit. Dotted rhythms are made up of well-defined patterns that fit within a beat unit or half measure, and usually begin on the beat rather than on an offbeat. Write a tie when the held duration crosses over a bar line or beat unit, where writing a dot would obscure where the beat falls. Thanks for watching our lesson on slurs and ties in music theory. We hope you found it informative and useful in improving your musical skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more music theory lessons and tutorials. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new content, so you can continue to enhance your knowledge of music theory and become a better musician. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.